You ever wonder why so many people feel tired, distracted, and stuck, even though they're doing everything right? It's not the big failures that destroy your potential. It's the small, innocent habits you repeat every single day without realizing. 1. The phone habit. You wake up, and the first thing you touch is your phone. Before your feet even hit the floor, your brain's flooded with chaos, notifications, headlines, noise. You haven't met your own thoughts, but the world's already screaming at you. Your mind needs silence before stimulation. Give yourself one quiet hour when you wake up. Own your morning, or the world will own your mind. 2. The junk food trap. You tell yourself it's just one snack, but those tiny choices stack up. Feed your body junk, and you feed your mind the same. Low energy, low focus, low drive. Your body isn't a garbage can. It's your engine. Fuel it with real food and you'll think clearer, move faster, live longer. 3. The no movement mindset. You sit for hours and call it productivity. But when the body slows, the brain follows. Movement isn't about fitness, it's about momentum. Even 5 minutes of stretching or walking rewires your energy. Move your body, and your life starts moving again. 4.
Most people think they're resting, but they're actually escaping. After work, it's hours of Netflix, TikTok, or endless scrolling. That's not recovery. That's numbing your mind. Real recovery fuels you. Reading, walking, creating, learning something new. So ask yourself, are you recharging your energy or just distracting yourself from your life? Because what feels like harmless downtime might be the reason you're stuck where you are.
Now that you know the habits silently killing your potential, it's time to rebuild it. I'll show you 21 powerful skills that'll make you unstoppable. Click that video right here and start your upgrade.